I found a way to use the Seedance 2.5 model completely free, and it creates realistic AI videos like this one. Consider liking this video and subscribing, because in the next few seconds, I'll reveal a platform that gives you free access to this model. Without wasting any time, let's dive in. This platform is called Dola AI, so either search for it directly in your browser or click the link I've left in the description below. I already covered this platform in a previous video, but now it has shipped the best model available yet. Once you land on the homepage, sign in first before you can start generating videos. You have a few options here. You can sign up using a phone number, a Facebook account, or an Apple account, but the simplest way is to continue with your Google account. In case you're asked to enter your birthday, just enter something random. It's only for verification purposes. Once you sign in, you'll land on an interface like this. To start creating, click Create Video, and more options will appear. Under Models, make sure to select Seedance 2.5, because it's the real deal. For duration, you can generate either 5 or 10-second clips, with hopes that they'll allow up to 30 seconds in the future. Pick your aspect ratio, enter your prompt, and generate. Generation will take a bit of time, so be patient. While you wait, check out my other videos on the channel, where I focus on free AI tools for image, voiceover, and video generation. If you haven't subscribed yet, you're missing out. Alright, the video's ready. Let's check it out. The quality is great, the video is generated with sound, and the person stays consistent from start to finish. With this model, you can generate high-budget commercial ads in seconds. The only catch is that you're limited to 1 video per day, which costs 4 points, meaning you can generate up to 30 videos a month. But honestly, for something free, the results are amazing, and it's well worth a shot. Here's another video I generated from a different account. If you've been dreaming of starting a channel for short AI movies, this model is exactly what you need. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon, because in the next video, I'll show you 2 more platforms that now offer free access to this model. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. See you in the next one.